Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today I've got something interesting to share. Toloka.ai, where you're getting paid for completing short tasks online. If you're good, you can earn more than $100 cash monthly. Stick around as I dive into what it's all about and how you can potentially earn some cash. But before, let me introduce myself. If you're here for the first time, my name is Felix, and if you're here because you've been researching how to make money online using AI apps, filling out surveys, or looking for a side gig to supplement your income, or maybe even replace your full-time job, then you're on the right video and on the right channel. I'm here to make sure you're not getting scammed, you're not exposing your info to the wrong hands, or simply wasting your time or money. And we all know time is money and people do get scammed. All right, let's take a look at Toloka.ai. This platform is an interesting one. It is a crowdsourcing platform where you, as a Toloker, can complete various tasks to earn money. The tests involve things like image annotation, data collection, and more. Toloka.ai leverages human intelligence to train and improve AI algorithms, which is pretty cool. Now, in terms of payouts, they vary depending on the complexity and the time requirement for each task. Some users report earning a few dollars per hour, but remember, it's task dependent. You can also earn money on a referral program, send an invite to your friends, and receive bonuses for the tasks they complete. You will receive from 5 to 20% of the task's price for each successfully completed task. Now, as you can see right here on the platform, there are different tasks available. You can choose what suits your skills and interests. Toloka.ai offers payouts through Pioneer, Kiwi, and 𝗶𝗶𝗀. You get paid in US dollars for completing online tasks. To withdraw your money, you need to choose one of the withdrawal methods and register in the payment system. Don't try to withdraw your money, though, until you are sure that your account has been confirmed in the payment system. Now, can you create a valuable income with Toloka.ai? Well, it's crucial to manage your expectations. While it's a legitimate platform, the income may not be consistent or substantial. It can be a decent side hustle, but I wouldn't recommend relying on it as your main source of income. However, like I said before, it is possible to make more than $100 cash monthly. Now, before we wrap up, I want to share something important. While Toloka.ai can be a way to earn some extra cash, I strongly believe in having multiple streams of income. In fact, I've got a strategy that has been earning me $5,000 to $10,000 per month, which I want to give you for free. Just click on the link in the description, enter your information, and I'll send it right over to you. Remember, Toloka.ai can be a part of your strategy, but don't rely on it as a life-changing income opportunity, because it simply is not one. That's it. Thanks for watching this review of Toloka.ai. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video review. Bye-bye.